ant, ant. Sip, sip. Tap, tap. Snap, snap. Tap, tap. Pant, pant. Pin, pin. Sit, sit. Spin, spin. Pants, pants. Pan, pan. Snap, snap. Snip, snip. Tin, tin. Knits, knits. Spin, spin. Tan, tan.
I wonder what is under the hat today. What's under the hat? Let me have a little peep. Oh, I can see. I can see. What's under the hat? I think it's a sheep. Did you hear the word? Sheep. Oh, let's have a look if you were right. It's a sheep. Let's have a look. Oh, it is a sheep. Look at that. It's a pink sheep. Oh, his little legs need turning over. His legs. His legs. How many legs does he have? 1, 2, 3, 4. That one needs turning over as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me a click and knock on the door. You see how many times you can rhyme today. Whoops, he does not want to stand. So I will give him a hand. Let's put him back under the hat. And if he wants to be comfy, we'll have to find a mat. Sam's comfy, look. Hi, Sammy. Hi, Sammy. Sammy will. There he is. Hi, Sammy. He's smiling at you.
Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Emma, and I'm here with some of the speech sound family. I'm here with the rabbit. I'm here with the... Hey! We're not having you today. You're in trouble. We've got the speech sound cow. We've got the speech sound snake. We've got, hey! 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 Oh! What are you doing with the cow? What are you doing with the cow? Speech sound frog? Oh, he's so naughty. We need to do some work. Right, speech sound frog, if you're going to join us, you've got to join us and be good. Oh, poor black rat. He's fallen over. So we're here with the snake. We're here with the speech sound frog. Say hello nicely. Hello. Right. And the cow. And we're here with the black rat. That's not necessary. Thank you. That's not necessary. I don't need kisses, thank you. Not now. Not when I'm still cross with you. Right, now we're going to do some duck hands with the children. And you should... We're going to do some duck hands, Okay, so we're going to have our duck hands. This is our duck hand. We're going to have our duck hands for speaking speech sounds. So if I say a word, oh, look at this, what can you see? Sip. That's the word. Sip. 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 Missy Cow, how many sounds would we need? Ignore him. Ignore him. How many sounds? Speech and frog. How many sounds? Right, well, you do it. How many sounds are we going to need for sip? Duck hands. Can you do that, speech and frog? Oh, the p was over there over your head. Sip. You look a bit confused. You look a bit confused. I think speech and frog is a little bit confused. Now, so we need to use our duck hands. Are we ready? So we're going to do the one for, what's this word? T, a, p, t, a, p. Duck hands. T, a, p. Where's the cow? Cow? Where have you gone? Speech and frog. Where's the cow? Where's the cow? You don't know? Tap. T, a, p. No. T, a, p. Tap. Let's try a different one, shall we? What about this one? Are you ready? Now I don't want you to spin. I want the speech sounds. I want the speech sounds for spin. I don't want you to spin. Spin! Poor little rats! Hey, mind the rats. We've got the grey rat, the black rat and the white rat. Spin. Spin. Are you ready? Spin! 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 Right, another one, come on, quickly. Pin! Ready? Pin! Put it in pin! Spit! Oh, we shouldn't do that. No, don't you do that. Don't you do that. Spit! 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 What are you doing? What are you doing? You're not doing what you're supposed to be doing. I know why. You want to be up there, don't you? Did you see the triangle? Did you see the triangle of rats? We've got a triangle. Look, just... We've got a We've got a triangle of rats. So let's do the word... Let's do the word... Sammy! Sam the spelling dog, can you hear him? He's having a bit of a drink. Sammy! 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 Are you ready? Sammy, come here. Oh, hello, Sam. Let's make some room for you. Up. Up. Can you get up? Hello. Hello. Uh-oh. It's your rival. Gives a kiss, Sam. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, I remember you two had a bit of an argument. Hello, Mr. Snake. We might move you across a little bit. Now, so we've got our black rat and our grey rat and our white rat. Sammy, come around this way. I'll keep you away. We're back. We just had to get a couple of things sorted, didn't we, Cow? Yes, we did. So, I thought I'd put you to bed. I thought I'd have put you to bed. No. Just ignore him. Ignore him. Right, so, what we're going to do is we're going to have a little listen to the sounds. What are you doing? What are you doing, both of you? What are you doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to say some sounds and you're going to tell me the word. So the sounds are s, I, t. What was the word? Sit. What is going on with you two? Yes, you as well. What is going on with you two? Oh, don't hide. I can see you. We're listening for a word. We're listening for the word it. Sit. We're listening for the word pin. We're listening for the word. Oh, you're right at the front now, are you? We're listening for the word spin. We're listening for the word tan. We're listening for the word where's the cow gone? We're listening for the word tan. I think if we did we might have Sam. Sammy. Call Sammy for me. Sammy. Sam. Sam. Hi. Hello. 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 Hello, Sammy. 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 Hello. Hello, Sammy. 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 Hello, Sammy. 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 Oh, hello. And Bibi too. What are you two doing? What are you two doing? Oh my goodness, they're at it again. How many sounds can you hear in this word? T-ip. How many? T-ip. T-ip. 3. T-ip. Tip. 3 sounds. How many sounds can you hear in this word? I've done spin so many times. Do you know why? Do you know why? It was because you were spinning. I've got that word in my head now. Spin. I want Sam to come back and I want him to stay away from you. Sammy woo! Sammy woo! Can you call him? Sam! Sam! Back again. Hold on a second. There's the rabbit. There's one of the rats. And there's the snake. Who's missing? Who's missing? The black rat's missing. Where's the black rat? Oh. And the grey rat is missing. Who else is missing? And the cow is missing. Sammy. Sammy, can you come and help us? Sam. Where is he? Sammy. Sammy. Hello. Hello. Can you help us? Oh, they're back again. Look, snakey out the way. Oh, sorry, snake. There. Can you see? Oh, you still can't see. Let's have a look. Sammy, come round. Sammy. There. If you come up here. Come up here. There you go. Now you can say hello. Say high five to everybody. Say high five to everybody. Say high five to everybody. Oh. The rat does not look very happy to see you. The rat does not look very happy to see you. Oh. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. Oh yes, oh yes. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Kissy, kissy, kissy. But no thank you, we don't really want dogs kissing us, do we? Don't know where you've been licking. I think Frog's gone to sleep. I think Frog's gone to sleep. Listen to how quiet it is. Listen to how quiet it is. Frog must have gone to sleep. Frog? It's so quiet. Ah! Where did you come from? And where is everybody else? Where is everybody else? Did you take them? Did you take everybody? No, I think you did. Oh, oh, carnage, carnage. Right, well I think we need to go. We haven't really done very much work today, have we? We'll have to try some more work tomorrow. You ready? Duck hands. Bye, bye. Oh, I said bye bye, bye, bye. Say bye, Frog. Bye. Og. Spinning again. Bye. Og.